कॉलेज गार्ड असोसिएशनचे सगळे आमचे मेंबर्स आणि त्यांचे असोसिएशनचे हेड आणि media. I still ki I am paying I have also mentioned otherly that we are our total support is there to the doctors and also to the resident doctors, to the association of guard, and we understand the sentiments and the feeling of the guard association. That's why I said that we are never not going to put any kind of pressure or anything. Their sentiments are something that is to be respected. And what has happened in Calcutta when you have a lady chief minister like Mamata Banerjee, in spite of her leadership in her state, you find there is no sort of sentiment attached to the incident that has happened. We are totally with the doctors, and even in a place like Bengal, when you see, it is easy to make everything political, but more than political, humanity and based on certain, when you talk of women empowerment and there is a women chief minister in the state, we are not able to understand the sentiment of the women and also protection of women. These are the issues that has to be discussed rather than giving it a political turn and political angle. For us, here with the Dean, Dr. Bandekar, myself, and the government of Goa, we are totally with the Guard Association. They have given us a list of several issues pertaining to the type of security that is required. Doctor relationship officer, so one of the doctors will be identified in the next 2 days. Apart from that, त्यांचे security and CCTV सगळीकडे जे लागता आणि त्याच बरोबर जे कितें तांकां दिसता की जाय they have identified, guard has already identified. I am going to be putting this, writing to them and giving them a official commitment that we will be putting this up to the Chief Minister and then also to the Cabinet for discussion, so that these issues which they are all basic issues, there nothing much is required here. But wherever they require, the lady doctor safety is prime for the state of Goa. Me, not only as being a health minister, but also being a minister for women and child, it is important for us to see that women's safety is something that is utmost important to the government and priority of the government. It cannot be only through lip service, it cannot be only through giving just letters of confirmation that I have received the letter and we are doing it. No, we are going to put it to the Chief Minister and I am going to pursue with the Chief Minister to see that these aspects that have been raised by the Guard Association is fulfilled. I am confident that the Chief Minister will address these issues based on the letter that I forward and their representation, which I am convinced. And for my, not only because I am a minister in the government, but because of our government and our thought process of our government, that women's safety, women's security and doctor safety and the type of work the doctors do, we must ensure that they are protected and whatever the issues are addressed. They have given this and I have given a commitment that by today evening I will address this issue, that these commitments will be taken forward. आणि मिडियाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हांव सांगूंक सोदता की गोंय राज्यांत आमचे प्रयत्न सदां आशिल्ले की पयलींच्यान की लोकांक महिलांक आनी महिला सशक्तीकरण जेन्ना म्हणटा आमी आमच्या डॉक्टरांक प्रोटेक्शन वेगळ्या तरेन दिवपाची गरज आसा. आनी परत एकदां सांगता की कलकत्ता जे जाला हे भयानक ह्या तरेचे गोश्टी जे जाल्या गोंय राज्यांत आमी आमची जबाबदारी जी आसा आमी ताका डायरेक्टली फेस करून आमी हे सगळे गोश्टी आमी फुडें व्हरपाचो प्रयत्न आमचो आसतलो.